a new Martin challenge that was sent to me by Froggy. So shout out to Froggy. And I'm modifying this slightly, but here's how the challenge works. One of Martin's pieces is a criminal. However, I do not know which one it is. My task is simple. Capture the criminal, but don't take any innocent pieces. And the only way that I'm going to know which piece is the criminal is it's the very last piece that Martin decides to move. So if Martin has multiple pieces that he hasn't moved, I don't know which one of those is the criminal. So I have to be patient enough to wait, not get checkmated by Martin in the process without taking a single one of his pieces until I know what the criminal is. Let's go ahead and get started. Good luck, Martin. What's he going to do? Okay, so that's not the criminal. That is an innocent piece, so I can't take that. Let me play knight f3. That's not the criminal. Okay, I'm not allowed to take this. So if he just starts taking me, I could be in trouble. Let me go ahead with the check, because this is going to force him to reveal a little bit more. Okay, so that's not the criminal. I think I'll go ahead and castle. And we still have a lot of information. Okay, it's not that one. Let's see. I'm not allowed to take any innocent pieces, so we can't take those. I'm just going to throw the pawn out there. Just why not? Ooh. Okay, that's not the criminal, and I'm not allowed to take it, unfortunately. So let's just leave that alone, and I feel like I should bring my rook over here. I just want to defend my king initially, and hopefully I can survive long enough here to see which piece I need to capture. Wow. All right, let's go ahead. Let's get some defense going. Not that I can actually take anything, which is interesting. Oh, yeah, we can't take any of these because we know these are innocent. And we have no idea what the criminal is. It could be any of these. All right. Wow. Let's go e5. Let's save my bishop. He revealed another piece there. That's good. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's still 8 options. And I can't take anything. Let me just move my bishop, I guess. No, Martin, I need you to move a different piece. I'm going to just push by so he doesn't keep taking stuff. I need him to reveal something. Okay, there we go. We got another piece moved. That's good. All right, let's just go here. Uh-oh. All right. So I can't take it because it's innocent. I don't want to let him take it because I still won't be able to take it. So I have to just do this and hope that he doesn't keep pushing these pawns. Yeah, we knew it wasn't the king. So the problem for me, guys, is I can't take because I don't know if it's which of these pieces it is. So let's just go back and forth maybe until he reveals. No, he's not going to reveal, is he? Come on, Martin. You got to move something else. Got to move something else. Nope, that's not helping me. Let me blockade this. Maybe that will cause him to do something. Nope, that doesn't help me. I can't. Ay, 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 ay. All right, what do we do here? What do we do? Let me just move my bishop. Uh-oh. If he takes here, I'm just going to sit in the corner, and hopefully I can just chill there. Let's just push this pawn forward. I really need him. Okay, he's going to do it. Yeah, I have to go here. Yikes. Yikes. No, stop it, Martin. All right, I'm going to, hopefully we can just let him go here, and then he'll be stuck. Problem is he's not moving any of these other pieces. I don't know that I'm going to be able to complete this challenge if he doesn't move those. Let me just go here. There we go. Okay, so it's not the queen. That's probably a good thing. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 potential suspects remaining. I wonder if I go here if he would move the bishop. Might be worth a shot. Let's go for the check. See if he'll capture it. Aha. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options. We just need to survive a bit longer. Let me go here. Okay, let's just see if we can be patient here. Don't really love the queen getting involved. What am I going to do about it? Ah, great. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4 potential suspects remaining. I think I'm just going to stick with the strategy of move the rook back and forth. Great. 1, 2, 3. It's one of these guys. I'm still going to have to go and capture it, but that's going to be the easy part once I know which one it is. Problem is I still don't know which one it is. So let's just keep waiting and see if he's gonna. Aha, aha, aha. This might be. If he moves this rook, it's over. It's over. Because we're just gonna take it right away. Ooh. Okay. Okay. So all we have to do is capture the rook, and we win. We complete the challenge. But I can't take anything else, and I need to go get that rook. Actually, not as easy as I was thinking it was gonna be. All right. Ooh, you know what I could actually try to sacrifice the queen, and if he takes it, I would win. But if I go here and he gets a queen, I'm just probably done for. I don't think I want to do that. I think I need to just delay the game a little bit. So that's the criminal. The rook on h8 is the criminal. How do we get there is the big question. I mean, I could just try, actually. Of course, he can take me, but it's Martin. He might not. Okay. Should I do it? Should I do it? I'm going to do it. Come on, Martin. You don't see that. There you go. Challenge complete. That's the criminal. I'm going to take it. I didn't take any other pieces. And we successfully defeated Martin. He's still playing. He doesn't realize he lost the challenge. Thank you, Froggy. That was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know if you have some more challenges. I might start doing some of these again. It's been a while, but I did have a lot of fun completing these wild challenges. So see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp. Play smart. Take care.